High in the Andes, eerie ice formations stretch skyward, as if nature itself carved statues from the snow. These are penitents. Penitents form when sunlight sublimates snow directly into vapor, leaving sharp, blade-like structures behind. These can grow up to 5 meters tall, creating a frozen forest in one of the harshest environments on Earth. The name penitents comes from their resemblance to kneeling monks in white robes, adding to their eerie allure. As sunlight dances on the icy penitents, they seem almost alive, standing guard over the frozen peaks.